So today's video is about talams, not understanding talams, the talams used in Carnatic music, and how you can understand how to put talams when you are singing or understanding music. So there are 7 talams in Carnatic music: Dhruva, Matya, Triputa, Rupaka, Eka, Ada, and Jampa. You don't have to memorize this or anything or in order or anything like that. You need to memorize it or just at least have an understanding. Before coming to that, talams, we have to mention a few things. In literature, we use certain terminologies to denominate talam. One is an eye or a vertical line. We call that laghu. And depending on the jati, the counting of that laghu can change, vary. So I'll also mention what the jaathis are. There are 5 jaathis: Tisram, Chaturasram, Khandam, Misram, Sankirnam. 3 Tisram, 4 Chaturasram, 5 Khandam, 7 Misram, and Sankirnam is 9. So these are the jaathis. We also call it as Pancha jaathis. The other 7 talams are also known as Sapta talam. That's why we learned the lesson called Sapta tala alankaram. So when there is a vertical line, I, based on the numbering of the jati, that I will have counts together with it. I'll just explain. If it is Tisra jati laghu, if it is Tisra jati laghu, it is 1, 2, 3. If it is Chaturasra jati laghu, you have to beat and count till 4. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4. If it is Tisra jati, count, beat 1, 2. So total of 3. 1, 2, 3. If it is Khandam, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that. Then we have a component called O or 0. That is just a beat and turn. Then we have a component called U, just a beat. The difference between an I and the U is that U does not have any finger counting. It's just a beat. We also denominate the beat as X and the turn as V. O is also called as Anudrutam, which is a beat and turn. And U is just a Dhrutam, which means a beat. You don't have to memorize or understand these namings and stuff, but just need to understand the components of the talam. So if you ask me, as an example, I'm going to say the talam that we all learn in the beginning called Adi, which is also known as Chaturasra Jati Triputa. So what Chaturasra Jati Triputa is, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Have you ever wondered why it has to be 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5, 6, 7, 8? Why can't it be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? And also if you take the book and read the lessons, there will be 2 small vertical lines. Then let's have the first lesson, Sari, 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 Gama, Padanesa. You can see that the 2 vertical lines, then Sari, Sari, then 1 small vertical line, and Sari, and then 1 vertical line, and Gamma, then 2 vertical lines. So it's actually divided as 4, 2, and 2. The reason is, Triputa Talam actually has 3 parts and is denominated as 1, 0, 0. The 1 is the laghu, 0 is beat and turn, and the second 0 is also beat and turn. So total of 5 counts, just roughly we can call it 5 counts. The I, if you say some jati or attach a jati to it, let's say Chaturasram, which is 4, then that becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. Then comes the remaining 2 parts, 5, 6, 7, 8. This 5, 6 and 7, 8 are 2 different parts. That's why it is divided as 2. First 4, then 2, and then 2. Right? I hope you understood. Now let's apply the same thing to Matya Talam. Matya Talam is I, 0, I, or for easier part, you can remember it as 101. If it is Tisra Jati Matya Talam, it is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I, 3, 0, I, 3. So I, 3 is 1, 2, 3. 0 is beat and turn. And again 1, 2, 3. This is how you understand the literature, like when it is written down and when you identify these using these components, you can identify the talam. Now coming to the dangerous part of understanding the Talam, where when you are learning Adi Talam for a long time, you are kind of stuck to the 4s or 8s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Easy. No difficulty, no confusion there. Now let's do an exercise. Take Dhruvatalam, Chaturasra Jati Dhruvatalam, the first lesson, Sarigama, Giri, Sarigiri, Sarigama. And try to sing the third speed. Third speed means, as we know, it is 4 letters per beat. Sarigama, Giri, Sari, Giri, Sari, Gamariga. Gamariga ends in this one. Then Mapa Maga, Riga Maga, Riga Mapa, Gama Pada, Pama Gama, Pama Gama, Pada Mapa, Dani Dapa, Mapa Dapa, Mapa Dani. This is how it's going to go. I had to look and read. Even I don't have that much of comprehension even now how it breaks down. I have not practiced singing. I should have done that. I know you might not. If you are a violin or an instrument player, you also have not done it. We need to learn it that way. Another question for you, please leave a comment, is Tisra Jadi Matya Talam is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. I 3, 0, I 3. As I mentioned earlier. Just 3 plus 2 plus 3, 8 counts. Adi Chaturasra Jadi Triputa Talam is also 8 counts. What's the difference? Please leave a comment if you know. Let's see. See you in the next video.